Konnichiwa, I'm Masaki. Today I'd like to show you how to cook potato salad. Potato salad is one of our comfort food in Japan as well. In Japan, we mash potatoes, add the cucumber, carrots, ham, season with mayo, salt and pepper. But today I'd like to show you something more cool and fusion recipe. I'd be appreciate if you can subscribe and hit the bell of my channel. Okay, so let's get started. Alright folks, we have 3 potatoes, chunked bacon, 2 eggs, sun-dried tomato, and 3 big spoons of mayo, and 1 small spoon of Dijon Mustard, and some Parmigiano cheese, some salt and black pepper. Okay, so potato salad is ready. Let's give it a try with beer. The egg is perfectly cooked. It tastes absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to drink a beer right now. This is the best potato salad I've ever made in my life. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. It's very easy recipe, but it still tastes amazing. Please try to cook at home this weekend. Thank you very much. またね